Hello everyone, welcome to my another video on this Kamishibai system. In this video, we'll understand about the Kamishibai system for 5S and TPM with Trifold. Already we have discussed about TPM, but I have a different card with which we can implement this system effectively. Okay, let us discuss and understand how we can implement it effectively with trifolds. Many of you know that trifold is basically a card like this, which you can see on the screen. This is a type of card. This is what we call it as trifold. With this, we have to create Kamishibai card for much more effectiveness. Here you can see a 5S inspection card, Kamishibai card, created using trifold. Okay, they'll just fold this card and keep it in the same bin. Okay, but this type of card explains clearly what should be done and with images. You can see an example of 5S daily checklist in a station for visual management audit. Here they have written clearly how many steps the operator has to perform. Check is the steadiness and cleanliness followed at the area. Check, check. Okay, all these things. And here they have mentioned images and arrow marks. In these four areas, you have to check for cleanliness, and in these three areas, you have to check. And this is marking you have to check whether the trolley is placed on within the marking that you have to check. These are the 9 checkpoints they have given. Okay, this is a simple card created with using trifold. This is a typical trifold for maintenance. Okay, our back two sides will be there. Okay, one side it looks like what we have to inspect, just what I have shown you, and the other side looks like this. Okay, in these three areas or three cards within a card, we will divide it like this. Okay, one side it is red and another side it is green. Okay, if it is okay, green will be on top, so that like that we have to fold and then keep it in our board or our bin. Okay, if it is not okay, then red will be on top. And for their guidance, okay, another part of that threshold is empty. There we can give some guidance. Okay, think safety and what we have to check. Okay, we can give something like this. Here I have taken one more example. Okay, one side what I have just shown you. Okay, the other side back end of it. Okay, we are telling for TPM activity, okay, which a operator has to perform. Okay, in that we have given guidelines. Okay, here for better understanding, given an image and written here clearly, clean around this component, visually inspect the level of oil. Okay, like this they have given clearly. Okay, this is a type of checklist come audit card. To quickly recall what we have learned in this series, first we understood how our Kamishibai card format looks like. Okay, two sides of the card, which is very easy to implement and very easy to use. And then we understood who should use this and why should use this. Who from operator to management, why they should use this and what are the different applications. We understood that, and I have given few examples for operator, manager, and other levels in the organization. Then we discussed about how the system works. Okay, how we have to create a board and what all things will be there and how countermeasures work, how we have to close. Okay, there, those things we have discussed. Then we have discussed about Kamishibai for TPM and 5S, then the trifolds this in this last video. Thank you for watching this. Will again meet you with some more videos on other topics for improvement. Keep supporting us. Thank you.